Hey guys, back with another little tech tip. We have an '01 GTS behind us, kind of going through the works with this, just making sure it's all good to go so they can drive it long distances because he's probably driving this to Miami in the spring, so that'll be a fun trip for us. But check out your heater hoses. These things, rubber from 20 years ago, just definitely doesn't work as well as rubber from now. They do seep, they can get hard, they can blow out. Dave Mostetler actually had his rad hose blow out on Tail of the Dragon, and that really would suck when you're, 10, 15 hours away from home. So Viper Parts USA makes a silicone heater hose set. It's a really nice set, so the silicone will hold up better than the rubber. So make sure you guys are checking those things out as these cars age, so you don't want to have any issues, especially when you're far from home. So take a peek at those every year, make sure nothing's seeping, the hoses aren't getting too hard, and have a good rest of your day, guys.